The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following Pennsylvania counties: Dauphin, Lancaster, Lebanon, Schuylkill, and York, effective until 8:38 p.m. The National Weather Service and State College PA has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Dauphin County, in south-central Pennsylvania, northwestern Lancaster County, in south-central Pennsylvania, Lebanon County, in south-central Pennsylvania, south-central Schuylkill County, in central Pennsylvania, north-central York County, in south-central Pennsylvania. Until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Langlestown to Campbelltown to Bainbridge, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 17 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Hershey, Ephrata, Colonial Park, Elizabethtown, Progress, Lititz, Middletown, Mountjoy, Palmyra, Langlestown, and Mannheim. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 2480 to Interstate 78 from mile markers 028. Interstate 81 from mile markers 69 to 104. Interstate 83 from mile markers 46 to 50. Interstate 283 mile markers 0 to 2. Precautionary/preparedness actions. These are dangerous storms. To stay safe, immediately move inside a well-built structure, and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these severe thunderstorms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's usually singular. The